Imagine a farming world where no farmer is left alone to struggle, where we sell our crops directly to the market at the best price and share our profits, not our losses. This is not a dream. This is cooperative farming. Cooperative farming is when farmers come together, share their land, tools, seeds and knowledge, and work as one team. Then they sell their produce together, just like a big company. But the owners are you, the farmers. When you sell alone, middlemen decide your price. But when 100 farmers sell together, you have power, collective bargaining power. Buyers can't ignore you. This means better prices, fair deals, and more profit in your hands. Better prices. More farmers equals more negotiation power. Lower costs. Share machinery, storage, transport, save money. Risk sharing. If one farmer's crop fails, the group still earns together. Technology access. Co-ops can buy modern equipment and train farmers. Market access, sell directly to big markets, shops, or even export. Brand power, just like Amul is a milk brand. Your co-op can be a rice, wheat, mango, or makhana brand. Amul started with just 2 village societies. Now it's a global dairy giant owned by farmers. In Himachal, apple cooperatives export fruits to Dubai, London, and Singapore. In Bihar, makhana cooperatives are turning this superfood into an international product. Gather farmers. Form a group with trust and shared vision. Register legally under the Cooperative Societies Act. Raise funds from members, government schemes or loans. Plan together. Decide crops, resources and market strategy. Brand and sell. Create a name, logo and market your produce directly. Initial capital. Use government schemes and subsidies. Management issues. Elect strong leaders. Have regular meetings. Competition. Build quality and trust in your brand. Storage and processing. Invest together in warehouses and units. From subsidies to training, the government is ready to help. All we need is to come together and apply for these benefits as a group. A single stick can break, but a bundle stays strong. Alone we survive, together we thrive. Farmers of India, farmers of the world, it's time to unite. Start your cooperative today and let's grow prosperity together.